Tajikistan. Did I say it? Tajikistan. Got you. Yo, Tajikistan. You ready? Yo. Shout out to my boy Tajikistan. ACB 55. This is what we're gonna do right here. I'm gonna turn it up for y'all. God bless 55 family, y'all. Yo, we got that 55 up in that family. Yo, talking about Tajikistan. Yo, even got that ACB with the 55 and they in that building. 24th is at March. That's a great start with the 55 family. All in the building, but I gotta God bless when I get up with the beat. I'ma say it with the chest. Talking Tajiki. It is all in the rock. I really think it was wrong when I get the microphone and everybody really hit me when I'm standing on the line. Even got the man in the back. Talking about the man, put them all in the rap with the ACB with the 55. I said Tajiki is all in the rap. Yo, talking about Tajikistan. Put it with that real rap. Every time I'm rapping on this beat, that means I'm on my grind. Came out to Vegas and they came for competition. Shout out to Tajikistan because they're really winning. That was so, and it was a week ago. Look at me now when I'm all on that flow. And the people they say that I really know cool. Talking about 55 with the feeling I see I got busted. I'm talking at 55. Got the people they all in the rap. Shout out to Paris, they came in tonight. Even got Paris on the block. Taking it over, we came to the block. Talking about 24th of the March. Talking at ACB, turn it up. That is so ill and the man in the back and he's all in the black with the blue, put them all in the crew. If I give him the mic with the go can, talking about Tajikistan, that is real, man. That is real. I'm talking about these guys, and I think they're super dope, so I'm gonna have to bless this mic. And I came to Sin City Beat to beat up like a fight. Wait, just like a fight, it's like Mayweather on that mic. So undefeated, I do got the right. Talking Tajikistan at the time. Look at my brain and I really do love it. They're waking up early and filling my bucket, but look at these guys. I think they're dope. We should go to Paris and get up on the mic and tell them how I use this hammer. This is way super dope. And I really got that flowetry. Sorta like some noodles on the stove, I'm steady boiling. Shaka rain and thundering. Tajikistan, I'm loving it. Shout out to these guys, cause Paris and I'm loving them. That is dope. And they coming to that pot. Taking it over, I really be taking it, talking and coming to that spot. NBA up on your hat. Right now I got a topic. Tajikistan, now 55 the family love it. Now Snapchat, pray to God you follow back. Talking about Tajikistan, let me put it in my rap. Talking about Paris, they all on the block. Look at my homie, he really be feeling, he really be water whipping in my kitchen. I'm feeling so gifted like a truck, I dig it and lift it like Tajikis when I swear to God he is that guy. He came to Vegas, so that means I gotta push your line. I beat that beat up every day, that means I'll never stop. Shout out to these guys, but make some noise here tonight. Can I do another one for you guys? Check this out. What's your name? Mohammed. My name's Hassan.